Got it. So you mentioned Beeple. I haven't actually seen that headline. Can you tell me a little bit about what that's about?
Long story short is Beeple is a digital artist, does 3D art. He just does it a lot quicker than most people. He's very prolific. If you know anything about digital art, especially 3D art, it's something that it's a very knowledge intensive, very software intensive. It can take a long time to actually get good at this craft. And, Beeple has had an amazing output over the years. And his goal was to create one piece of artwork posted on Instagram per day, right? Which is an incredible output for an artist. So he built the audience. He built artwork that people liked. He started selling his NFTs. And, at first he was getting a couple 100,000. Then, some started tapping the million. And then just like anybody that builds an audience that starts getting traction, a bigger entity reached out to him, like Christie's, right? The famous auction house, which primarily has dealt in the past with very high-end collectible art. They reached out to him. They created an NFT of one of his artworks, which is called The First 5,000 Days, which basically is a compilation, a bunch of images it's basically one image of a bunch of his artworks, right? So almost like a collage. And that sold for 69 million to a crypto whale, somebody that probably bought a bunch of Bitcoins early on that has money, bought it. And that's kind of what all the press is about the Beeple NFT. So,
yeah. Do we know if that was a singular buyer or was that multiple people?
Well, so his NFTs have been selling by multiple people, right? The 69 million, 5,000 days was from a crypto whale. I believe his name was Mado Coven, something like that. He goes by this, nickname. But so that one buy was basically a collage of his other artworks. Is sold for 69 million, and it puts him right up there with like the highest paid artist currently.